Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So I got the Matchbox Supra recently, so decided let's just compare it with Hot Wheels. Now, even from this angle you can see there are certain differences. The Hot Wheels one looks slightly modified, this looks more standard, but you can see Hot Wheels one is missing mirrors, this one has got that, and both of them have headlights and badge in the front. So let's see what other differences are there or what is common, which one looks better. So up front you've got detailed headlamps on both of them, Toyota badge on both of them, so they look good. This one is slightly modified, so you see a splitter here. The Hot Wheels one, as I said before, no mirrors on Hot Wheels, so point to Matchbox there. Coming to the driver's side, again you can see a body kit on this Hot Wheels one and some sponsor names. Wheels, I think both of them look good in their own way. They both have done a good job there, they don't look bad. Coming to the back, here Matchbox clearly wins the race because you can see it has got all the details: tail lamp, badge, number plate, Supra badge, so you got everything which Hot Wheels misses on. Passenger side, well, same story as the driver's side. And at the bottom, again Matchbox has more details than Hot Wheels. I wonder why. Interior wise, I can't really see inside the Matchbox as it's tinted. Hot Wheels, I see black interior with basic details and some bracing in the back as it's modified. I don't see anything in the Matchbox one. So overall, I don't think Hot Wheels one is a bad one in itself, but when you compare to Matchbox, obviously Matchbox has got more details and looks more complete, especially for a mainline. So my pick will be Matchbox, but don't count this one out either. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.